Testing, 1, 2, 3. All right. Hey, I wanted to give you a quick demo of a new project that we've just finished putting together. It is called AppBlender, and what AppBlender allows you to do is to create your own software and that software's website in under 90 seconds. And I want to show you how it does it. So let me give you a quick demo here of how things work. So we're going to go ahead and log into AppBlender. And once we've done that, we are going to pick the application that we want to work on. The one we're going to be using is called Quick Response Pro, and basically it's just a program that allows you to insert frequently used clips of text into, say, your email program. So if you have a lot of support to deal with, Quick Response Pro would allow you to quickly respond to people's emails, or you could use it inside Microsoft Word or any program, really. So we're going to use that as our template for the software that we are going to build. So I'm going to go ahead and start typing in the name of the software, and I'm going to call it Chris Perillo's Email Turbo. And Chris was one of the first subscribers to the service, so as a demonstration to him and some of the first people who use the service, I put together an application using Chris's face, and he said it was okay to do. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and enter a description in there real quick. And then we have this section where we can put some other information about our website, such as our support URL or our about URL. We can do that. We're going to skip over that right now. And now we're going to go down and put in a price. And I think $17 sounds just about right for this program. And then the next thing we need to do is put in our payment link. So what I did is went over to PayPal and used their utility for cooking up a link. And I copied and pasted that right here into the program. All right, so then the next thing we need to do is our application needs some images. So as you'll see in a second, all of our applications have a mask both at the top and the bottom of the application that you can use. And then what we do here is we put in 4 different icons. Every application on Mac and Windows computers can use different size icons. So we go ahead and put in 4 to make sure that we give the operating systems what they need. And all I did basically was take one and resized it down a couple different times in Photoshop. All right, so we went ahead and saved that. All right, and then the next, here, let me take a quick look with you down here at the bottom, and you can see where we've just put in our top and bottom masks, and then we have our icons there in the bottom. And those are going to be the icons for our application. So when someone launches our application or is using it, those are the icons they're going to see. So let's go ahead and click Build Application. Now what's happening at this point is that the application is being sent off to the build servers, which individually build your software one at a time. And while they're building the software, they are also building the website they're going to be using to sell that software. And there we go. It's completely finished. So now it gives us the option to either go ahead and install the application if we wanted to test it out right now, or we can go ahead and just grab the website. And I'm going to do that now. I click on it, and I've just downloaded the application. And here we are opening it up. Those are all the files that AppBlender created for us. We don't have to do anything at all to make the website ready to use. All I have to do here is open my FTP program. And I'm going to select all those files, drag those down into my FTP program, and that's it. That is all I have to do to begin selling my own software. Well, at least in this case here, we're going to be selling Chris Perillo's software. So once this finishes uploading, there we go, I'm going to go ahead and open up the browser again. And let's go ahead and put in the URL to the website that I just uploaded to. And then we'll go ahead and hit enter, and here we go. This is the website. Remember, this website was completely automatically created by AppBlender. We don't have to do anything. It has the name of the software, and it has a complete web page for everything that you would need to sell software, everything from the requirements that people need for their computer to a screenshot to testimonials. We have features, benefits, frequently asked questions if people need help or have other questions, or links on the page. And then if we go down here to the bottom, we see a guarantee, and then we also see where the end user can go ahead and purchase the software. So let's go ahead and try that. Let's click on that button, and here we go, off to PayPal. So again, AppBlender put all those links in there for us automatically. We don't have to touch the site at all, or we could go in there and we could do anything we want to the web page. It's there on our server, and feel free to do whatever you want to the web page, or you can use it just as it is there. All right, now I'm going to take you over to the web page that users will go to once they purchase your software. And here we are on the web page, and I'm ready to install the software. So I click this button down here at the bottom, and off it goes, installing our software. And it's quick and it's easy. The user doesn't even have to go digging around his computer to install and run the program. It's literally a couple clicks away, and they have the program on their computer ready to go. All right, so here's the software. There it is, the completed software with our bottom and top masks, and also some icons which you can't see, but on Windows or on Mac, you'd see that icon at the bottom of your screen. And here we are, just beginning to use the software. This is exactly what our end users would see. As far as they know, this is 100% your application, or in this case, Chris Perillo's application. And that's it. We have literally went from nothing to a complete application along with the website in less than 90 seconds. And that really is it. AppBlender makes it simple to have your own software application and your website with zero effort. I want to show you one more quick thing before we end this demo. And this is a neat little thing that we added to our applications in the last couple weeks, and it is in-application ads. Now, I want to show you how we do this really quick. Now, this is really slick. You can continue to communicate with their users after they've purchased their application, and we do that by putting ads right there in the application. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and type in a couple of different ads here so that I can demonstrate to you how that works. And this is really cool because you can come into this web page anytime you want and add new ads. And your user doesn't have to load the application. These ads are automatically pulled in from the application every time they turn it on for the first time. So if you have a new project or a new piece of software that you want to promote, there you go. You see that? All you have to do is put the ad in, and there at the bottom of your ad, you see that it is cycling. And all that we had to do right there was restart the ad, and it automatically pulled in those ads that we just put in our browser. So there you go. There's AppBlender in a nutshell. I hope that you'll consider signing up as a subscriber. It is going to be an amazing little project where you can get as much software as you need to sell, your own software that you can call your own. And like we just demonstrated here, you can literally have your own application in 90 seconds. And along with that application, you also get a complete website. So there you go.